You guys, a customer just spent over $1,000 in my fidget and slime store. Let's package the order right now because I'm like freaking out. As you can see, they ordered a lot of stress balls. This is their total, over $1,000. I'm shook. 10 yellow to orange stress balls. 10 foam slime stress balls. 10 red jumbo stress balls, 10 water bead or bead stress balls, 10 DNA balls, 10 green to yellow stress balls, 10 pink to purple stress balls, 11 of these popper journals, and 10 mesh stress balls. Like and follow for a packaging video next.